3, 2, 1. And there we have it. The academic year is officially open and has begun.
This academic year does not begin with the illusion of control, but with the confidence to face complexity.
I have a clear plea to everyone in The Hague for the upcoming elections. Invest more in education, in research and innovation, and scaling opportunities for potentially new unicorns.
Without you and without our technical universities, we cannot keep our country secure. Without you, we cannot protect the values, the freedoms, and the way of life that we hold so dear. We are in a battle of innovation, and we can simply not afford to lose this battle.
I know I'm not making myself very popular by saying this. The obstacle is national governments.
My other thing as a wish list for the next government would be think European, invest European, and be generous.
The point has already been made by the president of the university how important it is as the Netherlands to keep investing in research and education, because that is the fundamental for the future of our society.
So I walk around here weekly, right? So I help startups at university, at the Gate and Easy, and there's some really good talent and really good ideas that need some help, right? So that need the right help.
We need execution power, and that also requires close cooperation and putting the money where your mouth is.
Every day, I meet students, researchers, teachers, professional staff and partners, and every time I see the same thing. People who care, who bring intelligence, energy and conviction to their work. That passion is not automatic, it's a choice. And I thank you for making that choice.
So there's all the reason to adapt and to increase our agility. We need to become one TUE. Our mission is to shape a better world. We are drivers of change.
Vires acquirit undo. We gather strength as we go. Let that be the spirit of this academic year. Thank you.